Hello guys, we're live at ISC East New York. I'm joined by Jamal from STid booth right here. How are you doing?
Good, doing good. Thank you.
All right, so right now we're gonna learn more about them. So let's start with key features and maybe your flagship product that you have
for
here.
sure. So with STid, the thing that sets us apart from everybody is that we are a totally open reader. So that means we work with all access control systems out there. One of the key features that we have and that we've developed is that all of our readers are modular by design. As you see in the industry, 125 kilohertz low frequency is the industry standard. What we do is that all of our readers are 13.56 megahertz. Now, how we're able to satisfy our dealers and our integrators is that we have a module that we've built for 125 kilohertz. That enables you to utilize your low frequency cards and still have high frequency security readers. Moving along over here, you'll see all of our readers are in place. We have our standard reader. We have an LCD screen with a scramble keypad. Also a capacitive keypad. With all of these readers, they're modular by design. I can utilize a biometric module on the LCD screen. I can utilize a QR code module on a keypad. Or, again, that low frequency module I can utilize.
And I like the lights on there. Are they all customizable? How does that work?
Great question. So all of our readers, not only are they customizable and configurable from internally and externally. You can customize the lights, the read range, the ability to read different protocols, and also the different encryptions with that. Also, you can place your own logos on our readers. If you pan to the side, to the left, you can see the external configuration and customizations that you can do with all of our readers.
Yeah, that was one of the interesting part about your booth. I really love all the customization you guys are able to do. And what about the support for these products? How does that work exactly?
Yeah, so great question. All of our readers, not only are they manufactured and designed in France, but we have our warehouse in Texas, in Irving, Texas, where we supply all of our products. 3 to 5 days is our basic lead time, so we have stock in our warehouse and the ability to ship, and our local support and technical team sits there as well.
Great. All right, let's move on. Yeah. I saw over there, I know a little bit about it, but honestly, it will be great if you can talk a little bit more about this.
Yeah, no problem. So we have our long-range UHF readers. So these are for vehicle access, and we have them available in both Bluetooth and non-Bluetooth. Bluetooth functionality, the read range is about 25 to 30 feet, and our non-Bluetooth, the read range is about 35 to 40 feet. Ultra high frequency.
And so for my personal curiosity, do you have some example of case studies where these applied to?
Yeah, for sure. So they're great for not only commercial residential, standard residential areas. Anybody that has a gate or garage access, if you have multiple vehicles coming in and out, and even multiple lanes, we have the ability to utilize one reader for multiple lanes of traffic. So we do everything that you can or need for a vehicle access reader.
Okay. Great, wow. And they're also nice looking. Yeah. And you guys, your design team is pretty good.
They did a great job. They did a great job with our booth. It really talks about, how security as a whole is where the industry is going and what we want to do to provide those solutions for the industry.
Yeah, that's great. I also know that you have some other things in store right there, right?
Yeah. So come check it out. And over here you can see, again, some of the customization, some of our covers, and some additional accessories that we have at STid. But here it shows another great layout of our mullion, our standard reader, our capacitive keypad, and also our LCD screen.
Now I'm interested about what we see on your graph right there.
Yes.
So virtual access card. Can you talk a little bit about those, please?
Yeah, great question. So here at STid, we are pioneering mobile solutions and mobile credentials. So with our STid mobile ID, you'll have the ability to not only have a virtual credential on your phone, but multiple credentials. So you can utilize a credential for a reader, and you can also utilize a credential for your ultra high frequency for the vehicles as well.
Wow, great.
So again, we're not telling people to do away with the physical cards, but we're giving you another more secure, technologically advanced opportunity to utilize your phone.
Thank you, Jamal, for going over your booth with us today. Any shout out you would like to give?
Yeah, please. Thank you for SIA for having us, ISC for having us, and we definitely want to thank all of our supporters and all of the dealers and integrators. Please visit our website. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself directly or any members of the STid team.